Hello my friends, Cory here. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Listen, if you're watching this video, then you're probably watching some of my other videos too that show you all about how I make a full-time income at home from my phone. You can do this too, and I show you step by step how to do it. I also show you every single penny that you're gonna have to spend with this side hustle. So you're not buying a course, you're not downloading ebooks or coaching programs or anything like that. There's no hidden fees. Everything's absolutely 100% disclosed up front to you. All you have to do to check this out, right here on my YouTube channel, I'm going to link a playlist right here. Check this playlist out. All of the videos in this playlist literally walk you through step by step every single thing that's involved and every single thing that I do to make a full-time income from home. Also, the final video in this playlist, it's going to show you every single dime that you need to spend with this side hustle. You won't spend one single penny that you don't know about if you pay attention and watch that video, the final video in this playlist. I'm going to link it right here. You need to check that out. And if you get value from any of those videos or this one, consider hitting that subscribe button for me. Really help my channel out. Hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.